A helicopter right there. It's living. Helicopter leaving the base.
Yeah.
I think they're trying to sign it.
Wait, no, I think they're trying to sign it.
Where's the top? Where's the helicopter at?
Top is up.
Oh, it's coming right through. And imagine landed on the roof. Yo, guys, look at them.
Cool chaos, fire.
Just chilling like a villain. That is crazy. He's going back. He's just crazy. He's going back to his place. It's like they don't even care. He's going back.
They're trying to sign the fire.
He's in the fire. You guys are you guys are yes, there's
Wait,
what? He's leaving. No,
he's trying to sign the
that's the fire. Look at he's taking the fire out. Okay, there's not a ton of stuff. If he was taking it out, then there would have been water out. No, because you can't see water.
They're trying to signal it.
Yeah, water is all like fire. Trying to signal it. The fire is like. Hey, Stevie! He is the fire. It's always Matthew that RIP the plane, RIP the plane. Oh, it's gonna be blind. It's gonna be blind. Man, that's crazy. No, God. Oh, Matthew, let's see. The ball is blind. That is a big fire. It looks like a tornado from like for real.
Arizona doesn't get tornadoes.
I know it looks kind of like a tornado. It looks like a hook. It looks like a hook. Can you look up and kind of? It looks like
There's an airplane. There's an airplane.
another airplane on the ground. Yeah. That's so cool. Here's the airplane. Airplane. There's an airplane.
That's an airplane.
Yeah, it's that one. It's gonna go through our school. Look it. It's gonna take a school.
School chaos, everybody. School chaos.
It's school chaos. We're in school right now. Look, we're in school. It's gonna go viral. It's gonna go viral on TikTok.
So crazy. Literally at school. Literally at school. Yeah.